What's up, babies and gentlemen? New package here. Let's check it out. Yeah. Oh yeah. My favorite. Nunchucks. Whoa! 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 Nunchucks was invented in 1971 by Bruce Lee. Whoa! 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 As of right now, they accumulate for the most deaths by ninjas. Whoa! #1 weapon. Whoa! Whoa! This pair of nunchaku was $12 on Amazon. As you can see, it's got a foamy outer layer and real metal chains with cool dragon print. First challenge, chop test. Broken after one challenge. Test 2. Slice test! Can analysis. Canned, it's totally undamaged, not even a dent or anything. Blade analysis. Cap came off this side completely shattered. Can't even find the other half. Test number 3. The sun is setting and it's time to chop! I would not recommend this for self-defense. These nunchucks should be used for cosplay only. They broke after all the tests. Every single time we used it, they broke. These nunchucks are totally lame! What a total waste of money. Next episode, we're gonna review this sword! Another blade destroyed.